So today is the last day before I fly home. This is the garden. This is what it looks like now, December 17th. And yeah, let's go back to after Thanksgiving.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on me.
Oh yeah, my song finally got a graphic on it on Spotify. If you go look up Outer Space on Spotify, you'll see a graphic, which is pretty cool. It's from this video.
And presents by the tree. Christmas Eve will find me.
Conferences started picking up. I started working more, and I had to study a lot. I had to get COVID tested twice.
For Christmas, if only in my dreams. I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on me. Please have snow.
Funny story, in the last couple weeks I did have to make a deposit at the bank. So I walked to my bank and they closed the minute that I got there. So I went through the drive-thru on foot and deposited my money in the ATM on the side.
Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams.
I had to study so much. I had to study so much that I had to find different places to study so I wouldn't go crazy sitting in one place for so long. I rotated between my dorm room and the library
I'll be home
and the Barbara Walters Student Center
for Christmas,
and Slave to the Grind.
if only in my dreams.
Ah! Yes! Ah! Ah! Yes! Ah! The weather got gray, and then rainy, and then Look how fast it's snowing. Oh my goodness, wow. I've got to go get in that. Yeah, I'm actually editing this at the airport. So this is me 5 hours before I see you guys. Pretty ambitious, I know, but I can't wait to see you. I wish you guys were here in the snow, but I'm excited to come back into the warm California weather. Woo! Look out! Let me flex my editing skills right now. Pretty cool.